Your brain right now? It's running approximately 73 browser tabs. 14 are frozen. You don't know where the music is coming from. And you're pretty sure one of them is mining cryptocurrency without your permission. That mental fog isn't laziness, it's cognitive overload. And neuroscience finally understands why your mind feels like a computer. From 1995 trying to run Chrome. You check your phone 96 times per day, switch between tasks every 3 minutes, and wonder why focusing feels impossible. Here's the kicker. Your brain is literally treating your unread emails like survival threats. Your ancient threat detection system treats a full inbox like a forest fire spreading toward your cave. Both trigger the same neural panic button, flooding your system with stress hormones that were meant for running from predators, not managing Slack notifications. Tonight, you'll learn to literally clean your mind using the same biological systems that already clean your body. Not meditation apps or motivational quotes. Actual neuroscience that works. Chapter 1. Your Stone Age brain in a digital zoo. Your brain evolved for exactly two things: avoiding danger and finding food. That's it. Not managing 47 streaming subscriptions and remembering 73 passwords. The prefrontal cortex, your brain's CEO, evolved to handle maybe 5 important decisions per day. Should we hunt here? Is that plant poisonous? Is that rustling a predator? Now? You face more decisions before 9 a.m. than your ancestors made in a week. What to wear, what to eat, which notification to answer first, whether to reply now or later, which browser tab to check. Your brain is basically running Windows 95 with 400 Chrome tabs open. The amygdala, your brain's alarm system, treats everything as equally urgent. That email from your boss? Same neural response as seeing a snake. The 14 unread messages? Your brain processes them as 14 separate threats requiring immediate action. No wonder you're exhausted by noon. Chapter 2. The 23-minute focus disaster. Want to know something that'll make you close every app immediately? After a single distraction, it takes your brain 23 minutes and 15 seconds to fully refocus. Check your phone during this video? Congratulations. You just set your brain back half an hour. That quick email check? Another 23 minutes? The notification that just popped up? There goes your afternoon productivity. Research from Stanford shows multitaskers perform worse at every single cognitive task, even the tasks they think they're good at. Your brain physically cannot process two complex thoughts simultaneously. It just switches back and forth, failing at both. Attention residue is the killer. When you switch tasks, part of your brain stays stuck on the previous one, like mental Velcro. You're never fully present in any single task. You're operating at 40% capacity everywhere, while feeling 100% exhausted. Chapter 3. Your brain's garbage night. You know that foggy feeling when you've pulled an all-nighter? That's not just tiredness. That's your brain literally drowning in its own waste products. While you sleep, something incredible happens. Your brain cells shrink, creating spaces between them. Fluid rushes through like a power wash, clearing out all the mental garbage from your day. Skip sleep to work more? You're basically trying to cook in a kitchen full of yesterday's trash. That project that should take 2 hours takes 5 when your brain is clogged with mental debris. 7 hours of sleep isn't lazy. It's the most productive thing you can do. Your brain literally cannot clean itself while you're awake. Tomorrow's clarity is being built tonight, or destroyed by another Netflix episode. Chapter 4. The Morning Brain Dump Revolution. Here's the fastest way to clear mental RAM. The morning brain dump. Before coffee, before emails, before your brain starts creating today's chaos. You dump everything onto paper. Not typed, handwritten. The physical act of writing activates different neural pathways than typing. It literally pulls thoughts out of your working memory and onto external storage. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Write continuously. Every worry, task, random thought, dream fragment, that weird thing your coworker said yesterday. Dump it all. Don't organize, don't judge, don't stop writing. Your brain can finally stop juggling. Those background programs eating up 30% of your processing power, they're on paper now. Your working memory just went from 4 items to actually having 4 items available. It's like closing 50 browser tabs at once. Chapter 5. The 2-minute mental declutter. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Not later, not after this video. Now, your brain treats every uncompleted task as an open loop. Each loop consumes working memory, even when you're not consciously thinking about it. That text you need to reply to, it's running in the background, eating RAM. The dish in the sink? Another background program. 10 two-minute tasks feel overwhelming, but they're actually just 20 minutes of clearing mental space. Your brain spends more energy remembering to do them than actually doing them. Here's the magic. Completing any task, even tiny ones, releases dopamine. Your brain literally rewards you for closing loops. 10 small completions create momentum that carries into bigger tasks. You're basically hacking your own reward system. Join our YouTube membership for exclusive perks like early access to scripts, input on future topics about productivity, and connect with a like-minded community that gets it. Click join below and let's build your easier, more intentional life together. Chapter 6. Decision fatigue is real. You know why Mark Zuckerberg wears the same shirt? It's not fashion laziness. It's cognitive conservation. Every decision depletes glucose in your prefrontal cortex. By 3 p.m., you've made approximately 20,000 decisions. Your brain is literally running on fumes. That's why you can solve complex problems at 9 a.m., but can't decide what to eat for dinner. The solution? Decision templates. Create a if this, then that system. If it's Monday, you're eating pasta. If someone asks to pick your brain, it's automatically a 15-minute phone call, not coffee. If it's not in your top 3 priorities, it's an automatic not this week. Stop negotiating with yourself about things that don't matter. Save your decision fuel for what counts. Your brain has maybe 100 good decisions per day. Stop wasting them on what socks to wear. That's like using a Ferrari to deliver pizza. Technically possible, but missing the point entirely. Chapter 7. The Overthinking Trap. Overthinking feels productive because your brain is literally burning glucose. You're exhausted, so you must be working hard, right? Wrong. Overthinking is procrastination in a 3-piece suit. Your brain creates endless analysis to avoid making actual decisions. It's like revving your engine in neutral. Lots of noise, zero movement. The rumination loop is self-feeding. Negative thoughts trigger stress hormones, which narrow your thinking, which creates more negative thoughts. You're basically putting your anxiety on a treadmill and wondering why it's getting stronger. Break the loop with the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. Name 5 things you see, 4 you can touch, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste. This forces your brain out of the abstract anxiety spiral and into present moment sensory processing. It's like force quitting a frozen program. Chapter 8. Your phone is a slot machine. Your phone is literally designed like a casino slot machine. Pull the lever, see what you get. Sometimes nothing, sometimes gold. Think about it. You check your phone and find nothing interesting. Check again, boring email. Check again, funny video from a friend. Your brain never knows what's coming next, so it gets excited every single time. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to the possibility of something good happening. Every notification you allow is a micro decision you have to make. Answer now, later, ignore, delete. Your brain treats each ping like a tiny fire alarm, and you're the firefighter who has to decide if it's real smoke or burnt toast. Do that 200 times a day, and your decision-making center is completely fried by lunch. Here's what you do. Turn off every notification except actual phone calls. Not just the sounds, those little red numbers too. Your brain sees a red notification bubble and panics like it's seeing blood. You decide when to check Instagram, not the other way around. You're the human here, not the servant. Chapter 9. The Focus Restoration Protocol. Your attention is a muscle, and right now it's atrophied from lack of use. But muscles can be rebuilt. Start with 10 minutes of single tasking. One task, no phone, no tabs, no background podcasts. Your brain will literally panic. It's been trained to expect constant stimulation. That discomfort? That's your attention muscle growing. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focus, 5-minute break. Your brain can handle anything for 25 minutes. 4 Pomodoros equal more productivity than 8 hours of fractured attention. Here's the secret. During breaks, do absolutely nothing. Don't check your phone, don't scan news, just exist. This activates your default mode network, where your brain consolidates information and makes creative connections. Boredom isn't empty space. It's where brilliant ideas are born. Chapter 10. The Evening Mind Sweep. Your evening routine determines your morning clarity. Not tomorrow morning, every morning after. 1 hour before bed, do the evening mind sweep. Write tomorrow's 3 priorities. Only 3. Your brain can't handle more without creating anxiety. Then dump every lingering thought, worry, or random idea. Put your phone in another room. Not on silent, not face down. In another room. Your brain knows it's there, like a smoker knows where cigarettes are. Physical distance creates mental distance. The last 30 minutes before sleep determines sleep quality. No screens, no decisions, no planning. Your brain needs to downshift gradually, like cooling down after exercise. Read fiction, do gentle stretches, or just breathe. Anything that doesn't require executive function. You brush your teeth twice daily, but you've never been taught to clean your mind until now. Your mental hygiene system needs 4 pillars. Morning brain dump to clear overnight accumulation. 2-minute rule throughout the day to prevent buildup. Focused work blocks to strengthen attention. Evening mind sweep to prepare for tomorrow. This isn't another productivity hack. This is basic maintenance for the organ that controls everything else. Your brain processes 11 million bits of information per second. Without regular cleaning, it drowns in its own data. Start with just the morning brain dump. 10 minutes every morning for 1 week. You'll feel the difference by day 3. Add 1 new practice each week until the system runs automatically. Your mind isn't broken. It's just dirty. And now, you know how to clean it. Your clear mind starts tomorrow morning. Set your alarm 10 minutes earlier. Grab a notebook. Your brain will thank you by noon. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, let me know your thoughts on what I just shared. Oh, and there's more. I've just started a Patreon to help support these videos and connect with you more directly. Check out the link in the description if you'd like to join.